Mastermind is a code-breaking puzzle game played by 2 players, although you can also play it online against a computer. The goal of the game is for the codebreaker to crack the Mastermind's code by using a combination of deductive reasoning and trial and error. The game is played on a Mastermind board, which has 10 rows on it. In each row, there are 4 slots for the codebreaker to place their guesses. Next to each set of 4 slots, there are 4 smaller slots for the Mastermind to place their feedback for each guess. To start, one player is the Mastermind and the other player is the codebreaker. The codebreaker closes their eyes or leaves the room, and the Mastermind creates the secret code by putting 4 colored balls in any order on the top row. You can only use each color once to make your code. Then, the Mastermind covers it up with the board's top cover. The codebreaker returns and starts on the bottom row. They can place any of the 6 to 8 colored balls in any order to make their initial guess. Next, the Mastermind provides feedback on their guesses by putting 4 black or white balls in the smaller openings at the end of the row. If the Mastermind places a white ball down, it means you placed a correct color in the wrong position. If they place a black ball in one of the slots, you put a correct color in the correct position. This means that if you have 2 of the colored balls in the correct sequence, you will get 2 black balls. If you have 2 colored balls in the right order, and 2 of the other colors are correct but misplaced, you will get 2 black and 2 white balls. Keep in mind, the order of the Mastermind's feedback does not match the order of the balls on the board. So just because the Mastermind placed a black ball in the first slot, it does not necessarily mean that the codebreaker's first ball is correct. After the Mastermind provides their feedback, the codebreaker uses the next row to make their next set of guesses based on the feedback from the last row. Keep repeating this process by laying colored balls down and placing feedback next to each guess. If the codebreaker gets the sequence right before 9 turns are over, they win the round. If they can't get it right in 9 guesses, the Mastermind wins the round and reveals the code at the top. Once the first round ends, the Mastermind and codebreaker switch roles. You can see who can win the most rounds, or play the best out of 3 rounds to complete a game. You can make the game easier by only using 4 colored balls, or by placing the feedback balls in the same order as the colored balls so that a black peg in the first slot means the codebreaker's first guess was correct. You can make the game more challenging by allowing the Mastermind to repeat colors in their code, or by using more colors to play the game.